you got Nia on your hand?
Yeah.
And Nia will gonna have some Kinder eggs with you. You go open it. Hurry, hurry. I wonder what they got on their trip. What do you think? Ah, good job.
I did it.
Yes, you sure did it.
Let's go get the spoon.
Let's go get the spoon.
Yeah.
And poor Nia, she's just down there waiting. And there is Mia.
What did I
There's
get?
Nia, another robot. Ah, I don't want a robot anymore. You got so many robots already.
I want this robot.
You want that robot? Okay. The girls will sit in there. How about that?
Instructions.
There's her instruction.
Yeah.
And the girls can be on the Kinder egg. Here they are. Okay, now how about we just eat the chocolate? I'm hungry. I want some chocolates. Would that be a yummy chocolate, you think?
Yeah.
I think so too. One for you, one for me. Would that work? Ah, it's almost there. Hold on tight. Good job. Can I have some too? Sure. My favorite. Oh.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Try this one.
Yep. Milk part, huh? Can I have the one of the round thingy? One for you, one for me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But it's stuck.
It's stuck. Do you need help? I think I can remove it. I'm strong. Are you strong? Come on, give me some. You are just eating it. You are just eating it. Yummy. Thank you. Let me help you with that one. I want that big one. Is that? Hey, where's mine? So good, huh? Uh-oh. 2-second rules. Not even 2 seconds. It's good, huh, Arri? And Nia is over there. They did a great job finding our Kinder egg. And now Arri is just enjoying them. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. I see you. Is that a good day today outside? We're gonna be cleaning this bed, outdoor bed. So we can go play, and we're gonna go hang some swing set on it. So we have a better outdoor part here, right? Mommy will clean the yard so I can plant some flowers. So we can invite more butterflies and hummingbirds and some other insects and bugs.
Why?
Hopefully not mosquito.
Why?
Because it's nice. It's nice to protect them. Some bees and butterflies. Do you know? If we have them in here, that means they are happy. Just like we have a lot of squirrels in our yard and a lot of birds. We even have a bird who likes to go inside our house.
Why?
Because he thinks it's a good home, I guess. Because we take care of them. That's why.
But if they go inside too long,
Yeah.
if they too long for weeks, they will die.
I know. That's why we don't let them inside. We make sure they are out as soon as possible.
Because they don't die.
Yes, of course. So we gotta go take care of them. Right? You always help me do that. We go plant some seeds for our vegetables and some fruits and a lot
I
of
see
flowering.
one right up there.
Yep, we need to get some more food for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Tell everybody goodbye, guys.